Well, these guys are doing a drug deal over here.
Oh, they
Because I was distracted because this guy was walking up and I saw him in the mirror. I'm like, oh fuck, but I was looking over here. I'm like, what are these guys doing over here? Okay guys, this is how this dude tried to steal my fucking car in front of me. So he actually got the door open because I hit the I didn't realize that, but I hit the brakes. And watch, he tries to do this shit. And like he starts grabbing.
He actually opened it.
Yeah. Because I was in there and my phone
what was he trying to do?
My phone was in there and I said, can I fucking help you? And we're just fighting with each other and I just go, fuck you.
What did he say?
He's just like, I couldn't really understand him. He was like talking to himself too.